We are in the the primary stateroom, just to be politically correct.
He's Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, blue sky. Welcome to our journey.
This is approximately the position where the sinks are going to go, and then the faucet comes out up here. It's a wall-mounted faucet, and then this will be all covered. And then on the back side here, we're going to go ahead, put a half-inch sheathing up to give us something stiff. Once that's in place, that gives us our back reference. But to get to that, we got lots of foam to clean off and cut back. For the wall-mounted faucets, we're going to have to trim out this foam, glue a support in over there, and then put a support piece behind this. The eventual goal is the wall will be attached here and up here. Craig screwed into this piece over here. Craig screwed into this wall piece here. Attached to this, again, we'll clear out the foam all along here, put a back piece on there, and that's how we'll attach it. I'm going to start chopping out all that foam so Jeannie can cue the time lapse. There's my multi-tool. Seems like I'm clearing those. Okay, I'm in the new cut room. Open the door and make a turn. 26 3/4. Cool. Well, that's not the best thing to have flying off down there. 19 and a half. Okay, and go back to the bathroom. Highly recommend a glue gun. Makes life so much easier, especially for these hard to get out of the gun materials like polyurethane glue. Oh, come on. The only thing I don't like is they spring back too much. Okay, so did a little more work last night. Didn't film it because how much stripping out foam do you really need to see? And I also put up the rest of the support pieces. I'm going to take the clamps off and everything here in a moment. Cue the time lapse. Okay, that is all of the supports in. And now it's time for heading to Home Depot this morning to hopefully get some material for the countertop. It's nice and early still. Be able to get some work done today, hopefully. We got work done yesterday, just a very frustrating day. Anyway, what we were doing today, we were starting in that primary bathroom, and we are going to need, at least I think we're going to need, the countertop material fairly soon. So that's what we're here at Home Depot to do. Look at 24 by 12, 24 by 24s, or 24 by 48s of ceramic tiles to see if we can find one we like. Probably going to go ahead and get a little tile saw. Our goal here is to get the surface we're going to use and then get back home, get the rear wall in, get the platform in, and get the waterproof coating on the backsplash wall and the marine plywood so that we can hopefully put the tile in tomorrow and mount the sinks and drains, and shoot, we may actually have working sinks and stuff in there.
Wow.
And by next weekend, or not next weekend, by October, or it's November. Yeah, there we go. So anyway, we're here at Home Depot. But
that top one is the one that we're looking at, and then there's another one that we're looking at. This one. How about this one?
oh, this
The
one?
stripe one.
Oh my goodness.
Bill likes that one and that one, but you have to order them online, and we want them today. What is that one called? Sierra Haven.
I like that. It's very busy.
Let's go with that one.
Okay.
Thank goodness I brought you along. Hey.
Which is going to give a better cut control-wise? You've got the hand that you put a track down and do it. That should give you the best cut. It's just you have a lot more setup versus the little tables. Although with the table saw, you get such a small. These are pretty small. I mean, this is your width, and so you're setting that thing on there, and then you're trying to push that knife, but you're pushing against the fence all the way through. It's more like a table saw.
I like this from the storage aspect of it.
Let's go with that one.
Okay.
I like it because it's battery. You don't have to worry about plugging anything in. What blade does it come with? We need glue still too.
Okay.
I'm sure we need a few more things.
Okay.
There's the edge finish.
So that's a grout color we're going with.
Yep.
Here is our Premium Max.
Looks like a countertop.
Like
top.
way more than a countertop.
Yeah.
Another not so cheap trip to Home Depot.
We're done for the day now. One. Okay. We are going to go ahead and finish this medicine cabinet frame out. We got that one framed out a long time ago. I'm going to work on making my template. Okay. Okay. Get a little bit of accelerant here. Guess we should get a drop of this. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Okie dokie. I think we got a template now. Port, starboard, top, bottom. And this is out. Let's flip this around. Okay. Now let's see how this piece looks. Works for me. 3 inches in. 3 inches in. 14 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter. Well, there's our medicine cabinet. I think we need to slide the medicine cabinet at least a ½ inch or a whole inch this way so there's more room on that back side over there. This is going to be up against the wall, and so you're only going to have a ½ inch there for that thing to rotate. And I know it overhangs. Yeah, it overhangs by 16 inches. So you got an inch overhang on each side. So we're redoing this at 16. Okay. Okay, I guess we should go see how that looks. And now you can see what that plug's for. I don't know if you've seen the plug before or not, but there's a plug right there and there's a loose plug on the other side, but it's to give a power plug for the inside of the medicine cabinet. One of the changes we made is we're moving the plugs from right there where they're in the way of the backsplash wall and really not super useful and pretty close to the water to right there. And we've already done that change on the back one. So here's where I marked where it was going to be cut, but then we discussed it and we moved it to right there. So I'm doing that over here. It's got stuff flying everywhere. Okay, we've got a spot for a plug. I think we figured out how to get access into the water lines. I'm going to start work on the template back there later. We got a larger piece of the 1/2-inch PVC board back here and got the template taped to it. We'll trace it out on this and then we'll do all that cutting tomorrow morning. Later. We should have the template transferred. Okay. Okay, let's move this piece in there. And yeah, that's the top. This is the back. So I want to set it down. I'm going in there backwards. I don't want to do that. Okay. At least that much of it fits. Some magnets in my way. Oh yeah, works great. Yeah, definitely think we're a little tight there. Window looks pretty good. Okay, there's a little gully for that area. Yeah, we're back to this fun and excitement. You want to look at the sinks?
Looks good to me. What's your next move?
You've got to go get the faucet assemblies, put them right here, and kind of trace out the area. And then I'm going to be making my cutout for both of these guys.
Okay.
There. We got the rough-in mixers in. Now I'm just checking that depth is good. This is the backing piece, and the shiplap will go over that. And then you have this plate here, which makes it even bigger. So will this thread? Cool. Let's get a sink.
Okay.
Yeah, and then come here, Navi. Hot. So we would go here. Yeah, I think that works out really well. Okay, so it'll fall right about there. Very nice. There are the sinks and faucets all test fitted. Next step is put everything up, then I'll paint the red guard on the plywood, front edge of the plywood. That'll be it for today. Okay. Using the red guard stuff as a additional layer of waterproofing protection, because this is marine plywood, the top here, so I'm not real worried about even if water gets to it. We've used this extensively under slate that we put down in Phoenix, and pretty much everywhere I've done tiling work since that point. It does do a really nice job of isolating the item from the substrate. Okay, then we'll let that dry. And we'll throw a second coat on there, I think. Later.